To turn on or turn off emergency notify on connected watches like smoke alarm, file alarm, and more in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the off screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap sound notifications. Select settings, and then select notification preference, and then on emergency, tap notify on connected watches switch until blue to turn on, and tap switch or tap switch until gray to turn off. Applies to Wear OS by Google Watch. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.